This is help video number 5 for activity A3 in educational technology. We are going to look at how to create and insert charts into our newsletter. To do this, you want to go to the Insert tab at the top, ribbon, then go to Chart, and then select the format that you prefer. For my reading levels, I prefer a line graph, so I'm going to choose that and then click OK. This is automatically going to open up a data table in Excel that I can use to create my individual data. I only need one line for my graph, so I'm going to get rid of Series 2 and Series 3. I do that by clicking and dragging to select what I want to delete. When I have it selected, I let go of the first click and then right-click, go to Delete, go to Table Columns, and that will get rid of that data. And you'll also notice that in my chart, I now only have one line. I want my category not to say category, but to say first grade card. So I'm going to show them the reading levels that they need each grading period. Second grade card, third grade card. What I'm doing is using the arrows to progress down my chart and then just typing over what's there. And that will give me my titles. And then I'm going to go up here and create my data. They need to be approximately at level 4, then a level 6. And now I'm using the tab buttons. I could also use the arrows again if I wanted to. The arrows take you down here. The tabs will take you like so. Okay, and that way I have my data correct now. Okay. And then I'm going to format this to be a little prettier, and I'm going to change, I don't want this to say Series 1 because there's no point, so I am just clicking on it until it is selected, and then I delete that. I don't want Series 1 at the top. I want a new title that says DRA levels. And then I can move it around if I need to. I like the positioning of this. It inserted here because I already had my cursor where I wanted it. But sometimes if you want to move it around, you wait till you get the 4-pointed arrow, click and drag. To format it, once it's selected, this is unselected. When you click on it, you should get this box around the outside. That's selected. I'm going to then right-click, go to, I don't want to select inside it or I'll be working with just that, as you can see. Right-click, and at the bottom I'm going to get Format Chart Area, and that will allow me to work with things like the border color, border styles. I'm going to first go to border color, and I've decided I want a solid line around the outside. I'm going to use this dark red, and I'm going to go to border styles. I want it thicker so it stands out, so I'm going to increase this to about a 2-point. I'm going to leave the solid line, and then I'm going to create a 3D format. Click on that, and I get options to choose from. I'm going to try the beveled option. I'm going to go to lighting and choose this warm color. You can work and try out different things to your preference. And then when I close, you can see that my chart looks completely different. I'd like to work with this line just a little bit to add data points, data labels. So what I'm going to do is click on it. Click on the line, then right-click, and you will see Add Data Labels, and that will put the numbers